Good morning! Today is Friday. Magaling na ng konti. Sobrang sobrang dami na nang nilabas sa katawan. Pero, ayan, may allergy na naman ako. So, ganito talaga pag nag-change weather. You scary? You scary, sir?
Are you scared?
Ah, you scared?
No.
Are you sure? We are close. We are close to home now.
I'm not scared. I'm just a little concerned. That's all.
Because if you are driven, I'm getting scary. I'm scary of that.
You get scared when I'm driving.
When I'm
I
driving.
I get worried when you're driving.
But I am not murmuring. I'm silent.
Sometimes.
I am peaceful. I am a peaceful woman.
I thought you were going to say I'm a businesswoman.
I am a shopper woman. Hi, kid.
He's having fun. It's too bad you can't have a split screen showing the front and then you.
Yeah, I have in my camera. I don't know where it's at. Sometimes it's, it's showing front and back. I don't know what kind of,
Need to.
what apps is it? I have in my camera.
Yeah, you should hug the yellow line
They should hug me.
so they can go by. They
Hi.
should hug you.
I don't. I like them to. I like them to traffic at my back. Am I? Am I kind person?
You want me to park it?
Why? Because takot. Takot ay. Takot. Takot. Okay, you can park.
Really?
Ano ba? Bababa ako kasi takot siya ako mag-park dahil yung sasakyan niya.
Oh, your
Nandiyan.
case.
Loko ka. Hala. Yung car ko guys, malaki. Kaya pwede ako dito. Aray ko. Lokong afam to. Kaloko. Maingay sa lahat ng maingay. Aray ko. Takot siya. Takot siya na mabangga yung car ko.
Okay, let's do a lesson
Ano
on,
ka ba? Ang galing kong mag-park.
on backing.
Come on! Come on! Hi guys! Kanina nagalit ako nung nag-drive ako sa unang video. Paano? Maingay siya pag ako ang nag-drive. Kaya ayokong mag-drive. Takot siya. Nag-overtake ako. Nag-overtake ako. Takot siya. Okay, thank you guys. Magaling namin ang konti. Pero may mga allergies akong natitira pa. Tsaka chipon. Nakachipon-chipon.